Hey guys, welcome back to another Coding Flamingo video. In this video, we're going to look at my favorite feature from .NET 7 that did not get covered in my top 10 new features. I totally forgot about it, but thank you, David, for reminding me. And it's the new interpolation of strings. We're used to kind of like creating this string, and the problem with this is if you actually want to have like a quote or something in here, you have to like escape it, which is fine if you're just doing a hello world, but it gets kind of annoying when you start doing kind of like JSON values. So in here, I'm just going to grab kind of like a short JSON, and it already gets annoying, you know, like you have to go through each one and kind of escape it. So what they did is that now for string interpolation, you could have 3 on each side, and now it will ignore anything inside. So now you don't have to go and escape each one of them. And let's say you have, for some reason, 3 back to back here, so it doesn't work anymore. You can do it as simple as adding an extra one at the end, and as long as you have more on the start, you can have as many on the inside as well. And while this is cool, the best part about it is their support for multi-line. So before, if you wanted to do multiple lines for, like, let's say hello world, you had to close the first one, put a plus, and do the other one, which once again, if you're doing like a JSON or something like that, it can get really, really tedious after a while. So basically what they did is you start the same with the 3 double quotes at the front, or 4, or whatever you need. And then you copy your code and then you finish it. So if we actually run this, it will actually respect the spaces on the string. So we can see here that it would actually, when it prints it, it actually prints it as a formatted JSON, just how you had it. So this is my favorite .NET feature. Let me know if I missed another one down below in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.